NGRI. It's a really fun one off Paper Mache. It's a pretty fast song. It's really difficult. So I'm going to play it through like half speed or a little bit slower. I don't have my iPad today, so I'm just going to put the numbers on this screen when I'm playing each little section. But I'm just going to play the whole thing by itself just to get an idea of what it sounds like. So here we go. Okay, a little rough, but that's what you're going to be aiming for. That was probably like 75% speed. Yeah, so let's get into breaking it down. Okay, so part one, the numbers are on the screen. Go ahead and play it real slow. Just follow along as I go and see what it looks like. Okay, so bending is kind of important on this for the third draw. You can get away without bending, but it kind of adds to the sound of it and what it represents. So yeah, I'll play it one more time. Okay, so move on to part three. Part two. So part two, it's a little bit of a walk up and then it kind of wails on four draw. It's really fun to play, so here we go. Okay, so you hit that four draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, I think. I'll have the numbers on the screen. So what you're doing on that four draw is you're kind of opening and closing your mouth to make the noise compress and gain open. So and it kind of bounces around on that. So you got to be pretty quick going in between notes here, and one thing you can do is kind of slow this video down to like 50% speed while I play along with the harmonica, and then slow it down to like 75% speed, play along with the harmonica. Work your way up to being able to play at full speed, because it's a fast song and he plays quick, and if you try and just jump into it playing at full speed, you'll probably run out of breath pretty quick. Alright, let's go to the next part. Part three is a quick little ender. It's just to finish it off, tie it all off together. I wanted to separate it into small parts so that it's not all overwhelming, all this information at once. So yeah, one more time. It's kind of going back to the start of the little melody. So all three parts together. Part one, now part two. That was part 2 and 3, but you get the idea. The song's a lot of fun to play and a lot of fun to practice. Really teaches you how to breathe while you're playing the harmonica, because once you're playing full speed, you have to be able to breathe while you play into your lungs so that you don't run out of breath and you don't pass out. It's nothing like the flute though. The flute, you gotta learn how to breathe for sure. So yeah, I hope you guys got some good tips out of this, and we'll see you in the next video in a week or so.